most JAMB students cram the number of bond pairs of electrons and lone pairs of electrons of different covalent molecules. But I will tell you that is going to be a very difficult job. Let me show you how you can easily know how to count the number of bond pair and lone pair of electrons by just drawing the dot and cross diagram of a simple covalent molecule. I'm John from Tutorial. Let's quickly do this. Alright, draw the dot and cross diagram for ammonia. The formula is NH3. If you want to do this, the first thing you need to know is the atomic number, which is the proton number. It's just like, say, the number of the position of nitrogen in the periodic table. So let's see, this is nitrogen. Then we also have hydrogen in ammonia. This is hydrogen. All right, what is the position of nitrogen in the periodic table? By checking periodic table, you see that nitrogen is just at position 7. Remember, if you're writing JAMB, nobody is going to provide periodic table for you. So it's important for you to know the first 20 elements at least. All right, so this is nitrogen, it's position number 7. Then the next step is to write the electron configuration. And that means we have 2 and 5, meaning that the 2 electrons will go into the first shell, while 5 electrons will be in the outer shell. But hydrogen is the first element, so it only has 1. So how do we draw this dot and cross diagram? Let me just quickly show you the trick. All right, so nitrogen is 2, that is 1, 2, that is nitrogen. Then 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now for hydrogen, we have 3 of it there. Okay, so the hydrogen will come this way to bond with this. So that's the dot from hydrogen. Remember, hydrogen is just 1 electron. Okay, the second hydrogen will come here to bond with this. This is just the sharing of electrons, which is in covalent bonding. Okay, so that is the next hydrogen. We have 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen atoms. Now, this one where they overlap, that is the sharing of electrons. That is what we call bond pair. So we can see that this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So that shows that nitrogen has 3 bond pairs of electrons. Then the electrons that are not used in forming bonds, they are called lone pairs. That means they have 1 lone pair of electrons. From there you can see that nitrogen has 3 bond pairs of electrons, which we also call shared pair of electrons, and a lone pair of electrons. I'm sure you find this helpful. Follow me for more videos.